Hello everyone, this is Ida, and in my last videos, I had shown how to connect the wireless mic and the Bluetooth. And in this video, I will show you how to use the U-disc and broadcast the audio. Okay, yeah, I just plug it on, and on the screen you can see that there is a sound mark. And the frequency is still the same, and this type I will show you this one as the receiver. First I will learn the antenna first, and then I will open it. I like this FM radio I like it. If you want to buy it or be our dealer, you can email us at support@retekess.com or visit our website www.retekess.com. Okay, I will open it. This is for the off. Yeah. At this time, it is broadcast the audio on my U-disc. I'll lower it. U-disc, and I will show. Can I talk the mic and the U-disc work at the same time? Yeah, it can work at the same time. Mic, U-disc, mic, and Bluetooth. Okay. And I will open this radio. I will lower this. This is the radio. You can listen the music from the broadcast FM transmitter in your cars, or you can carry the FM radio in your home garden, and so it is very convenient to use. I'm gonna lower it. I will power it on. Yeah, this is for the U-disc and wireless mic. And if you want to broadcast the music from your computer, you can connect this cable. This cable with this one. And this time with your computer or the phone. You can see that this is my phone. The jacket is not right, so I will not show you. But I'm sure that the audio and the mic also can work at the same time. So if you want to use it for the driving charge, and the poster can wear this wireless mic and broadcast the music from the computer. It is very convenient to use. So if you want to know more, or if you want to try the other type, such as TR505, TR508, or TR509, please email us at support@retekess.com or visit our website on the www.retekess.com. Okay, we will be having for message and hope that we can cooperate in the near future. If you want to be our dealer and resell it in your country, please email us. We will be waiting for a message. So have a good night. Bye.